In the poll-bound state of Assam, Prime Minister scathing attack on the Congress party. Well, the Congress has become more venomous now than before, than earlier, is what Prime Minister Modi has gone ahead and said in Assam this very afternoon. The Congress wants Assam back in unrest, and Congress wants to hand Assam to infiltrators, is the charge that the Prime Minister is making against the Congress party. Let's listen.
10 वर्ष सत्ता से बाहर रहने की वजह से कांग्रेस और ज्यादा जहरीली हो गई है। उनके टॉप लीडर से नीचे तक उनके जुबान से जहर ही निकलता है। कांग्रेस असम को फिर से अशांति और अराजकता में झोंकना चाहती है। कांग्रेस असम को घुसपैठियों के हवाले करना चाहती है। आप इनके दिल्ली के नेताओं को देखिए, यहां जो इनके नेता हैं उनको देखिए, ये सब घुसपैठियों को बचाने में ही लगे हुए हैं। कांग्रेस के दशकों के कुशासन की सबसे बड़ी वजह रही है कांग्रेस की तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति, वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स। कांग्रेस ने असम को हमेशा वोट के चश्मे से ही देखा। कांग्रेस ने हर वो काम किया जिससे तुष्टीकरण को बढ़ावा मिले और हर वो काम रोका जिससे असम का विकास हो। कांग्रेस के समय केंद्र सरकार की योजनाओं को असम तक पहुंचने में भी बरसों लग जाते थे।
Ratandeep, my colleague with us. Ratandeep, Prime Minister Modi there saying that the Northeast was neglected by the Congress while it's the priority of the BJP, and the BJP is in fact devoted to its development. And while saying all that, the Prime Minister was attacking the Congress party, attacking Rahul Gandhi as well.
Absolutely, if you see, this was a very fiery speech by the Prime Minister at the booth level Karyakarta meeting of the BJP. It was a central meeting where the Prime Minister addressed more than 31,000 booth level workers of the BJP, and perhaps in a way he has sounded the poll bugle for Assam, the dates for which would be announced later this month. And BJP, with the roadmap that the Prime Minister has given, that they have to win each and every booth to retain power in Assam for the third straight term, and that too with a mandate which is much bigger than the first and the second term. So the workers and the leaders of the BJP has got a roadmap, has got a target this time from the Prime Minister himself, as he made that attack on Congress, claiming Congress to be a party which has turned more venomous. He said that Congress is out of power for the past 10 years, and therefore they are trying to speak in a way that is not good for Assam. He went on to say that this is a critical juncture for Assam, given the fact that Assam is witnessing fast-track development. He cited how Assam has become a semiconductor hub, and soon the microchips, the semiconductor chips that will be produced in Assam would be as famous as the Assam tea, and he feels that this is the time when the BJP needs to retain power. Otherwise, he says that if the Congress comes back to power, it will hand Assam back to the illegal infiltrators. Now, fight against illegal infiltrators.
Absolutely, Ratandeep, a big push by the BJP.